Learn English with your ears and emotions. F Glow Music.
Good morning, so the air is quiet. I walk slowly, I feel the cool wind. I see the river, the water is soft and blue. Bikes go past me, I smile at you. This city is beautiful, I feel calm, I feel free. This city is beautiful, come and walk with me. This city is beautiful, let your heart just see. Seoul is beautiful, come and walk with me. I cross the small bridge, I hear the cars, I see tall buildings, I look at the stars. I drink hot coffee, I sit by the glass. People are talking, they hurry, they pass. This city is beautiful, I feel calm, I feel free. This city is beautiful, come and walk with me. This city is beautiful, let your heart just see. Seoul is beautiful, come and walk with me. I am in Seoul today, I am happy here. I am safe, I am okay, everything is clear. I am in Seoul today, I can breathe and be. I am here, I am alive, this is home to me. This city is beautiful, I feel calm, I feel free. This city is beautiful, come and walk with me. This city is beautiful.